Okay, this is John Keys Automotive on a 2000 Chrysler Concorde fuel pump removal. I made a previous video on a quick way and came across some extras when I got it down. You don't need to remove the evap canister, it comes down with the tank, but you will need to drop the sway bar to give yourself some more room. The drain plug doesn't get all the fuel out, so be prepared for a little bit of weight. There are fuel lines right in front of the gas tank that you will need to disconnect. Right there. And then the electric cord runs in from the passenger side of the car across the tank. There will be two plug-ins you'll need to take off and one ground. You look, there's a plug-in here that comes off the evap canister. This plug-in over here comes off of the fuel pump. So then you'll get out and you'll notice that this has the twist style fuel pump. You will need to clean this area off before you remove the fuel tank so that nothing drops inside of the tank. But as you see, the evap canister is still attached to the right side of the tank. Pretty much clean it up, take off this little spin-off ring here, put the new one in the same direction, and you should be good to go. Clean out any debris that may be inside the tank that can cause you to burn out your new fuel pump.